Welcome back to Digital Knowledge, everyone. In today's quick tutorial, you are going to see how to delete Chrome extensions. It's actually pretty easy thing to do. So what we'll do is first to head over to our Chrome browser. As you can see, I have logged into my Google account. So if I want to delete some of my extensions from here, or in other words, you can say Chrome extensions, you'll find this icon on the top right. Head over there, and once you click it, you will find all the extensions you have added to your browser. So if you want to delete one of them, what you can do is to tap on the three dots icon just right beside that extension, and you will see the option of remove from Chrome. And once you click that, the option of uh, or the extension will be removed from your browser. So yeah, this is how easy it is to remove extensions from your Chrome browser. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out.